Welcome to 20 Hillside Court in Phenix City, Alabama. This adorable brick home in Ladonia Terrace sits on a fantastic corner lot and features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and almost 1,500 square feet. The master bedroom provides tons of space and a private ensuite. Featuring his and her walk-in closets, double vanity area, separate shower, and deep soak tub, this is the perfect place to relax after a long day. The privacy-fenced backyard has lots of room to run and play. Conveniently located just seconds from Walmart Marketplace, Zaxbys, and more, you are going to love the low-maintenance lifestyle this home offers. This is 20 Hillside Court. Don't miss it.
Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you're interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.